Hello Tech Finers, today I want to show you a different video. I'm sure you've heard of artificial intelligence that allows you to create images like these. Well, today I want to show you one that I loved. It's called Midjourney. To use it, you only need to enter its page and website and create a Discord account, since this tool is linked to said platform. Once we are inside, we can see how the community create incredible images. The best of all is that we can do all this without much effort. We just have to organize our texts well. To begin with, we must place the slash and search for imagine. After that, we only need to place what we want to see. For example, I want a person opening a magic door. We wait a while for it to process.
A few moments later.
And now look at the result. It is incredible how with so few words we achieved this result. Now if we want to have better results and we don't know what we can write, we can use this page called Lexicon, which gives us texts to generate this type of images. Let me show you a small example.
More moments later.
And look at the results that they generate. It is a very intuitive tool and it is clearly going to be quite a revolution. And that was all for today. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to subscribe to be aware of all the videos that we will be uploading. If you like this type of content, let us know in the comments. See you later.